Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix alarm clock on iPhone volume. So guys, if you want to fix your alarm clock and facing any kind of issue during fixing, then I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to click on clock, and guys you need to select this tab that is alarm, and guys after this you can select this tab that is here is the option of setup. So guys, simply you need to click on this tab, and guys after this you can set up your alarm from here. And guys, if not working, then guys you need to click on this plus option, and guys after this you can select your time, am or pm, and hours and minutes. And guys here you need to select your want to repeat or not. And guys you need to write your label, means your purpose of set up alarm. And guys after this here you need to select your sound, and guys after this simply you need to go back. So guys, if facing any kind of issue, then guys you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to update your iPhone to latest version. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to click on general, and guys click on software update. So guys, make sure that you have updated your iPhone to latest iOS version, iOS 17.1. and guys after doing update, all the features will be working fine and all the problems will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.